bike out of the way.
Ready? Here, I got it. Okay, you ready? Give her. Get ready and ride. Here you go. Good job.
Dad, what if you can make a bike ramp?
Well, we'll make one of those next week. Let's learn how to ride with no training wheels first. Okay, start on your own. I know you can do it. You kind of got to push the bike a little bit.